Struggles with a surge in gun violence. President Biden is laying out a plan to address violent crime across the nation.
And WGN's Mike Lowe is joining us now with more. Mike.
And good evening to both of you. The gun violence prevention efforts come as major U.S. cities like Chicago are seeing surges in violence and as calls for police reform continue in the wake of the George Floyd killing. If the searing images of crime tape, flashing lights, and body bags weren't eye-popping enough to prompt political action, the cold statistics of Chicago crime might be. Take one weekend, last weekend. There were 52 people shot and 7 killed as a result of gun violence.
We discussed a comprehensive strategy that I'm releasing today to combat the epidemic of gun violence and other violent crime.
In a speech today at the White House, President Biden outlined his efforts to reduce violence in cities across America.
I've been at this a long time, and there are things we know that work to reduce gun violence.
Today, the Biden administration announced it would allow local governments to use already approved coronavirus relief funds to hire police officers, pay overtime for community policing, support community-based groups focused on violence prevention, and invest in technology that prevents gun crimes.
Amid the COVID-19 pandemic, they've had to deal with a second public health crisis, gun violence. The American Rescue Plan, which we passed in the first 100 days of my administration, is providing much needed and historic relief.
With average homicide rates in major cities up more than 30% last year, this week the administration announced plans to tackle gun trafficking in major cities from coast to coast. The Justice Department says it will launch strike forces in L.A., San Francisco, Washington, D.C., New York, and Chicago.
We'll make sure you can't sell death and mayhem on our streets.
The name itself, the idea of strike forces, says and really appears to be, a sort of a repeat of the kind of militarization of our police.
Ed Yonka of the ACLU of Illinois says he's concerned that the Biden plan relies too much on beefing up police and not enough on building communities.
What we know is simply flooding streets with law enforcement officials, federal, state, or local, sweeping up people in their neighborhoods, targeting Black and brown neighborhoods for enhanced enforcement. Those things have not worked to date, and they won't work now.
And while shootings and homicides are up, statistics show that property crimes like burglaries actually fell last year. Back to you.
All right, Mike, thank you very much.